Welcome to Mendoza, Argentina, the land that saw us born, gave us roots, and blessed us with a legacy full of history and passion. Located in the heart of the Andes Mountains, Mendoza is the birthplace of the finest wines in the world.
My name is Francisco Rodriguez, and today I want to invite you to join me on a very special journey.
The story of Madber Wines, a family winery founded in 1980s by my grandfather, Eduardo Rodriguez, a man who decided to bet in this land, in its fruits, and the life that thrives here. Today, that vision lives in each of us, in every grape, in every bottle.
Shall we discover it together? Come, follow me.
This vineyard in front of you was the first one our family planted. With just 20 hectares, my grandfather began what has today become a legacy of over 350 hectares spread across 4 vineyards. And we're not stopping there. We want to keep growing, with plans to reach 400 hectares in the coming years. It was my father who continued the legacy, leading the winery into a technological revolution that improved every process. And today, my brother and I continue with the same passion, with the same dedication, because we want to keep our family legacy alive. Here, 700 meters above sea level, we are surrounded by a nature that renews itself every year. The harvest time, the Vendimia of Mendoza, is the moment that excites us the most. It's when all we dream of throughout the year turns into reality. At Madber Wines, we embrace the diversity of Mendoza soil because it allows us to cultivate different grape varieties. From the iconic Malbec to white varietals like Sauvignon Blanc and Chardonnay, each with its unique expressions.
But there is one grape that holds a special place in our history, the Ancholata.
Ancholata is our jewel, our flagship grape. Native to Emilia-Romagna region in Italy, we decided to invest in it over 17 years ago. Over the time, we have become the largest producer of Ancholata in Argentina, and particularly this vineyard, which stretches over 90 hectares of this grape, is the largest of its kind in the world. As you can see, we use a unique cultivation system, the Parral, which allows the grape to receive the best exposure to the sun, ensuring a perfect ripening to the grape. All of this results in a wine that transports you to this land, this sun, this sky. My grandfather, a man of vision, encountered a bird in his vineyard and saw something more than just an animal. He saw the energy it transmitted to the grapes. And so, in honor of that bird that accompanied him on his journey, he decided to name the winery Madber Wines. It's time to visit the winery. Join me. Now, you are at the heart of our winery. This winery has a capacity of 8 million liters. Every grape that enters here comes from our vineyards and is treated with the respect it deserves. Everything is done in an artisanal manner, with the utmost care to ensure every bottle is perfect. More than 150 people are part of this process, working as a team to ensure that sustainability is not just a responsibility, but a commitment to the land and future generations. Today, together with the 4th generation, we continue this dream. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Thank you for being part of our story. Now, when you raise a glass of Madber wine, we want you to feel everything we feel: the love for our land, the work of our people, and the legacy of a family that believes wine is more than just a drink. It's an experience, a piece of Mendoza and our heart in every single bottle.
We invite you to create your own story with every bottle of Madber Wines that you share, open, and enjoy. Cheers!